Hello, I'm Produktvideo. Today I will show you our new product, a module F-line, and this is a system, a modular system where you have two power strips you can put together, or you can also put a power strip together with a lamp. In total you can put 6 elements together. Starting with the lamp. We have two sizes of lamp, a long size just 1 meter and a short size just 50 centimeters. Then we have not only the two different lengths, but we have also two different versions in the outside looking. We have the silver anodized line aluminum and we have the black line. Black, the difference in black is this is really ESD and the other one is really normal. So if you need ESD, we have here the lamp in ESD. Then we have also the lamp, the version with a switch, here, switch, and in the switch is not a switch, it's a dimmer who makes the light more and less. And we have the lamp without any dimmer and switch. Why? Because we create a module system where you have here directly the dimmer inside. This is to dim the light upstairs there. Here we have the cable, so you can look. We go from the stripes to the lamps. And then the good thing is that the dimmer is not at the highest like the lamp. Because if you have people who has not my size, they cannot go every day to this place and switch on and off. For them it's much easier to have it here or have it here. So we can dim here the light on and the light off. And this was the thing of the lamps, but we have here also the normal power strips with 4 plugs. You can see an ESD and an aluminum anodized. And the power strips we have also with 4 plugs and a dimmer. We have the power strips with 4 plugs, a switch and a switch. We have the power strips with 4 plugs with a switch and a dimmer. And we have the power strips with a switch, the 4 plugs and the USB. And of course, I just speak English. Normally in England and in America you don't have these plugs because this is really in the middle Europe size, but we can make this also for the US and also for the English version. Yes, and here we have the cables. Here you know the German version, but we can also make this for the US and England and other countries. And here we have a standard 3-pole system. And the 3-pole system goes here into the power stripe. You see, this goes on and off. And from the power stripe, we have 2 different versions. We have the version who goes on with the 3-pole. And we have the version who goes on with 5 poles. 5 poles you need only if you have the switch here and connected with the light. If it's if it's here the dimmer, you need the 5 poles. If it's the switch, you have the 3 poles. And this we have in 2 and 4 meters. And what is very exciting, we put a T-slot 8 in the profile, so you have the chance to connect this with your standard T-nuts and screws. And we have here, for example, a T-nut, you know, and we put this into it, and then we can connect one model with the other model. But, or better, and not but, here we have this connector. This is very simple. We screw here. We screw then this directly on the profile, and after make the good angle, we fix it. If you want to have another connector because you want to screw it direct on the profile, we screw it here, and then we turn it, and we can screw it directly to the profile. And if you want to have it really exclusive, you can take the friction joints. Look here. We have here two friction joints, 1 and 2, and it's very easy to move it and it stays. So move it and it stays. Look here, we have two friction joints. We move it and it stays. Chaka chaka. So very nice. But we have the same also for the side lights. We have here also a friction joint, a little bit different because it's not going from there to there, but it goes from there in the 90 degree. And we screw this friction joint to the aluminum profile. Then we screw the aluminum profile to the friction joint. And then you see, very easy, it stays where it is. So very nice, very good for you. So then we come to the end. What are the most 3 important USPs we have? I want to show you very quick so that you don't forget it. Here we have the connection between the elements, the modular connection between the power strip and the lamps, and we have here the ESD version. Very important, ESD for a power strip is not so often. And what is very important, also in the power strip, the dimmer, so we can change the lights. So thank you for listening or looking to this video, and we are really hoping to make a nice project with you. So thank you, bye bye.